such a mundane action. He's going to take a haircut. What am I actually doing? Am I doing a mitzvah? So you're going to tell me, okay, fine, Rabbi, you came, you did a mitzvah aseh, or a mitzvah, you did a mitzvah of preparing for Shabbat, a mitzvah d'Rabbanan, but how many mitzvot do you get? So says the Kaf Chaim as follows, כשאדם מסתפר יכוון לקיים מצווה לא תקיפו פאת ראשכם ולא תשחית, והם שתי מצוות בפאת הראש, אחד מכאן ואחד מכאן, וחמש מצוות בפאת הזקן. Just like the Gemara says, you're going to be chayav al kol echad ve'achat. Right? There's shara mitzvot shama. What does that mean? A person comes and they take a haircut and they do their beard and their hair. They are going to be mekayem right now 7 mitzvot. What are the 7 mitzvot? Lo takifu v'lo tashchit peat roshechem. You've got 2 peot. You've got one on this side, one on that side. The fact that you do not take a razor and you do not come and destroy your peot, you are being mekayem a negative commandment. Lo ta'aseh, lo takifu peat roshechem. There are 2 points in the hair, which are the peot up here, and then you've got 5 points in the beard. The fact that you come and you don't take a razor and destroy your beard, that in itself, you're fulfilling 5 mitzvot lo ta'aseh. So now he comes and he says, okay, fine. When you're going to come and give the schara megaleach, you're paying the person, whether it's a Jew or a non-Jew. You have to be mechaven lekayem mitzvah biyomot ten secharo v'lo tavo alav hashemesh. You remember that we mentioned that even by a non-Jew, there's also the positive commandment of paying the worker on time. That's a mitzvah aseh. There's going to be another 5 negatives. There's going to be another negatives, but that's going to apply to a Jew if you don't pay them on time, if you don't pay them that day. However, though here, for sure you're going to have this. When it's going to be Erev Shabbat Yom Tov, you have to have in mind that it's going to be Lichot Shabbat Yom Tov. So he comes and he says like this, Nimtza, Hamgaleach Mekayem Yudalad Mitzvot. So you've got 14 mitzvot every time that you could come and take a haircut. He says 7 mitzvot on Lo Ta'aseh Bepeot and Iskar. You've got 7 in the actual way of the haircut in itself. You've got another 2 of them, which the Chinuch says, Bechuktem lo telechu velo imbash. Meaning, the fact that you're not going to take a haircut like a woman, or you're not going to come and can copy the non-Jewish haircuts, that is another 2 mitzvot. Uvchukotem lo telechu and lo ilbash. That's already going to be 9. Aseh, biyomot titet scharo, the positive commandment, you have to pay the worker on time. And then you have 2 negative commandments, lo tavo alav hashemesh lo talin, kesheronten schar miglech. If he's going to be poor, you also have another one, which is Lu Yikra Alecha Hashem, when he's going to call out to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So therefore, you've got already 13. And Mitzvat aseh de Rabbanan, you got the Mitzvat aseh from the rabbis, that you're doing a Lichvot Shabbat Yom Tov, that's 14 mitzvot, which means that a person could come and do something so simple and just take a haircut, and he's full of mitzvot. Why? Because he had in mind that I'm not transgressing these certain averot, or the positive commandments that he's doing a mitzvah, and therefore imagine a person is rich, every time that he comes and he takes a haircut once a month, that look how many mitzvot he was able to be mekayem when he's doing such a haircut.